Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a wash day featuring ORS hair products. So they have recently changed the way the packaging looks on the outside, but I believe the formula is still the same. So I'm going to start off with the shampoo. I bought mine from Pax Cosmetics for £3.99. It is 370 milliliters and it says that it's a moisture restore creamy aloe shampoo, helps to remove product buildup, and it's infused with aloe vera for rejuvenating moisture. It gently cleanses and detangles, and I think that description is really accurate for this product, because when you use this product, I tend to use it twice. For a good shampoo, it doesn't leave the hair feeling stripped afterwards at all. Your hair still feels moisturized and cleansed, and it's so soft that I can actually go ahead and detangle her hair with the shampoo, and most times I cannot do that with a shampoo. So you guys are seeing for yourself how good, how creamy this product is. The smell is a light fruity smell. I don't really smell olive oil. It smells a little bit tropical to me. It's not a all natural products, but they do claim to use natural ingredients as well inside their products. And this product is for natural or relaxed hair. You can also use it as a neutralizing or clarifying shampoo, and it leaves the hair soft and tangle free. It removes product buildup without stripping the hair. So as I said, all of that is correct. And you're supposed to wet the hair thoroughly, like what I've done. Prior to this, I did a pre-poo treatment, so her hair is damp at the moment. Apply a generous amount to the hair and gently massage into a rich lather. Rinse and repeat as needed, and follow up with their conditioner. And these products are not new to my household. We've actually used the ORS products for years and been in love with it on both our relaxed and natural hair. And I'm just using my shampoo brush to thoroughly cleanse the scalp. Most people say that shampoo is only for the scalp, but I like to put it all over. I like to make sure that all of the hair and scalp is washed properly. And now I'm gonna go in with the ORS Olive Oil Strength and Nourish Replenishing Conditioner. This is infused with sweet orange oil for a revitalizing moisture, and it helps to restore dry or damaged hair. Now her hair is not damaged, but on this particular day she did come back from swimming, so we needed to get rid of the chlorine. So I shampooed twice, and I'm gonna let her sit with this conditioner for 20 minutes so it can really replenish the hair and add moisture back into the hair. And this product is formulated without sulfates, mineral oils, or parabens. The direction says that after you shampoo, you should use this conditioner and put a generous amount onto the hair, comb through for even distribution. And for best results, sit with a plastic cap over the hair and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or leave on the hair for 45 minutes to 1 hour without heat, and rinse thoroughly. Now when I was in hairdressing school, we just typically did our treatments for 20 minutes each, sitting under a dryer. So because she's really young, I didn't put her under a dryer because she's not going to sit still and she doesn't enjoy it. So I probably left her on with the cap for 20 to 30 minutes and then I just rinsed it out. But obviously if you're older and you can sit underneath a dryer, then it's best to follow the instructions. And even if I'm not using a dryer, I don't leave my conditioners on for 1 hour or overnight. 40 minutes or 45 minutes is fine, and that's it. And I'll put a woolly cap over my head so that my body heat can warm up the product. Again, this product is for natural, relaxed or color treated hair. It leaves hair soft and tangle free and more manageable, and it helps to replenish moisture and repair damage. And I must say that this conditioner is really good in terms of it being infused into the hair strands and making the hair strands soft. It doesn't just sit on top of the hair and then wash right out afterwards. So her hair was really soft as I was applying the conditioner and after I rinsed the conditioner out. And I typically tend to wash with lukewarm water, and then on the final rinse I'll rinse with cool water, as cool as the person can handle it. The cool water seals in the moisture and closes the cuticles. The warm water opens up the cuticles so that the product can get inside and do its job. And this is after rinsing out the product. The hair looks and feels so soft. And next I'm gonna go in with the ORS Olive Oil Fortifying Cream Hairdress. It's said to promote healthy hair growth. It's infused with castor oil for strengthening the hair. It nourishes and protects dry, brittle hair, helps prevent split ends and breakage, helps improve scalp health, and leaves hair soft, shiny, and more manageable. Now, I don't apply this to the scalp. I only apply natural oils to the scalp, but some people are fine with adding this to their scalp. I am not. And it says to apply a small amount into hands, rub together and massage through the hair and scalp, Coleman style as usual. And this has a very herbal smell to it, in my opinion. The product was £4.49 and it is 170 grams of product. And I forgot to mention earlier, guys, the replenishing conditioner is 362 milliliters. It was £3.99, and that has a very orange smell to it. It's made with orange oil. So because you can't really sit still, I'm going to be doing a quick hairstyle, something that's not going to take a lot of time and something that's not going to take too long if I have to refresh the hairstyle in the middle of the week. Next, I'm gonna go in with the ORS Olive Oil Style and Curl Defining Smooth and Hold Pudding. It's infused with coconut oil and it adds restorative shine. It adds body, enhances curls, and eliminates frizz. And I think that is true for type 3 hair, not so much type 4 hair. But this is a good product to use to define the curls. As you can see, I used to use this on my relaxed hair back in the day. This was a gel that I would use, and the pink gel and the Ikson gel, it was a switch between those three. But it's good for a light hold. It helps to slick down the frizzies. In her case, it helps to define the hair a bit. I didn't go all the way through with a lot of pudding because I wasn't leaving her curls out, but if I wanted to, I would simply just spray some water, add the pudding, and then brush it through with my Babyliss detangling brush. This product says to apply to damp or dry hair, do not rinse out. For natural styles, apply product sparingly through the sectioned hair and also at the ends of the hair. For ponytails, brush for even distribution and styled as desired. This also has a very fruity smell as well. And the product was £3.49 and the jar is 368 grams. Again, I got everything from Pax Cosmetics, but I'm sure you can find it on Amazon or eBay or in your local hair and beauty supply store. And this is the end result. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I really like my hairstyle, and this is a project you use it to make it so shiny, really soft, and really curly, and everything all hair really wants. Like Sleeping Beauty and Rapunzel, the hairstyle stuff like that. I see you next time. See you. Cookie face, emoji face. Those face are even windy face or sky face or blue face. See you next time. Cookie face.